SQL Complete allows setting different colors for query tabs, so you can quickly and easily identify which environment you're working in within SSMS. For example, you can set different colors for a development and production database. You can customize the colors and environments in the Options wizard. SQL Complete comes with 4 predefined environments: development, production, sandbox, and test. You can add your own environment if needed. With the Tab History feature of SQL Complete, you can quickly and easily restore the most recently closed tab. In fact, you can restore any closed tab during the current session in just a couple of clicks. Just select it from the list of recently closed documents. If you're using multiple instances of the Document Sessions feature, you can easily open the documents from other instances of SSMS in the current instance. Just open Document Sessions, select the required file, and open it in the instance you're currently working in. To avoid the risk of data loss when running potentially dangerous statements such as delete, drop, truncate, and update, SQL Complete will warn you of danger and, if necessary, prevent the statement from being executed. For example, the tool will throw a warning when the user tries to delete records from a table without a condition defined, or is about to drop all table records on a production database. You can specify the statements to issue warnings about in the Options wizard. Also, if you need to mark an expression in the script for which you do not need the warning to be shown, you can wrap it in a tag inside which all potentially dangerous expressions will be ignored and executed on the server right away. The users of SQL Complete can also benefit from the transaction reminder that notifies about uncommitted transactions and execution notifications that allow users to get informed about the query execution result. You can set the rules for displaying these notifications in the Options wizard. To discover the full potential of the tool, download SQL Complete from Devart.com or schedule a personalized demo with a dbForge account executive.